The side event is organized by the German Ministry of Economic Development and Cooperation, the Mekelle University of Ethiopia, and GIZ, German International Corporation. What do we need to improve resilience of households? The answer is simple: more stable agriculture under increasingly unreliable weather conditions. More stable, unreliable. The two adjectives seem to be contradictory to each other. We want to give some examples in these sessions how an efficient management of rainfall in rain-fed agriculture and intensified use of runoff and groundwater for irrigated agriculture contributes to become more independent of rainfall irregularities. The presentations will show what changes are needed on farmers' level, which kind of capacity development we need on both levels, extension workers and farmers. We will present a capacity building initiative with South-South knowledge exchange with the Mekelle University, experiences of climate-smart landscape approaches in the Sahel, and finally launch a new manual of good practices in small-scale irrigation in Mali. 3 examples how to contribute to build up resilience and to stabilize food and nutrition security in fragile conditions. I am happy to see you all here, and I hope that we will have an interesting exchange and discussions. So we will begin with our first presentation, which with the title Soil and Water Conservation Through a Climate-Smart Landscape Approach, Experiences from the Sahel and East Africa. The presentation is held by Petra Jacobi. Petra Jacobi joined GIZ in 1994 after completing her master degree in agronomy at the University of Gießen and a postgraduate course at the Center for Rural Development at the Humboldt University of Berlin. She started her professional career in Asia, in rural development and agriculture, extension services. Then her regional focus shifted to Africa, and she has managed projects in Tanzania, Nigeria, and Kenya for more than 13 years, covering rural and local economic development, natural resources management, as well as climate change and resilience. Currently, Petra is heading the project Rural Development based in GIZ, Germany, Eschborn. Dr. Georg Deichert will also contribute to this presentation. He has more than 30 years of experience implementing international development programs. He currently works as a senior agriculture economics advisor in the GIZ-supported Sustainable Land Management Program here in Ethiopia. He worked in various projects in Asia and the Middle East, mainly with GIZ, and often in cooperation with USAID, IFPRI, and the European Union. His expertise covers the fields of project management, rural and agricultural development, participatory extension, and sustainable management of natural resources. A doctor in agricultural science, he specialized in livestock breeding. During the last 10 years, he put special focus on the promotion of agricultural value change and participatory technology development for improving agricultural production for rural farmers, in particular the system of rice intensification, SRI. So, Petra and Georg, you're welcome.